stop by and take a look at 2018 Atlas. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.